By now you know 3 one-octave major scales. You know D, G, and C. And we're now going to play triads or arpeggios from each of those scales. Let's start with the D major scale. A triad is made of 3 notes, and those are the first 3 notes in the arpeggio. The first note is the first note of the D major scale, which is D natural. The second note is the third note of the scale, which is F sharp. The third note is the fifth of the scale, which is A natural. And then we top it with the very last note, which is also the first of the scale, first step in the scale, which is D natural. So there's your D major arpeggio, starting on open D, then second finger on the D string for F sharp. So let's start with open D. Second finger on the D string for F sharp. Open A. And third finger on the A string. Let's play that together, ascending and descending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's play the G major arpeggio, which, you guessed it, starts on G, which is the first note of the scale, followed by B natural. So let's start with G, open G, B natural, or second finger on the G string, then open D, finished with G, third finger on the D string. So let's play that arpeggio, G major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now let's finish with the C major arpeggio. And that starts with open C, followed by second finger on the C string, or E natural, followed by open G, followed by third finger on the G string, C natural. So let's play the C major arpeggio now together. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now I bet we can play Row Your Boat, or Row, Row, Row Your Boat, by ear, and starting on note D, or open D. And remember, or actually check in your music, because on the third measure you'll have a series of triplets. And triplets simply just means 3 notes in 1 beat. So here's one measure, and I'll give you triplets just starting on note D on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a series of 4 triplets on note D. Now let's play Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Listen carefully. In the third measure, there's a D major arpeggio. 1, 2, ready, go. Did you hear the arpeggio?